that runs the power to control the spindle. I don't have the coolant system running yet, but I put a thing on here so I can read it with my RPM gauge, because I'm trying to figure this thing out, and for some reason it ain't working quite like I expected. But if I just press the on button, and then we'll see it spin up. Bearing noise. $24,000 RPMs. Yeah, that's 24,000 RPMs at 3 horsepower. So I'm going to be ready to do my first cuts here pretty soon. Which I'm just going to take, first cut's just going to be, I need to mount this on here. And I got some little chunks of aluminum like this that I can test on first and get things figured out. This is an aluminum bit, 3 flute, specifically made for aluminum. And I need to get the coolant system for this running, which is pretty much ready. Oh, I gotta change a hose because I've got this old radiator that I got set up for it. Then I got a couple of computer fans to blow on this radiator, so I got to hook that up before I can finish the return line of the coolant. But the pump and the tank for it are all set up right there. That's a tank and a pump. I just got to put that radiator in for the return line, and then besides that, I still got to hook up the coolant mister, which the black hose coming up here is air from the air compressor that's under here, this quiet air compressor. And then this tub is going to be the catch basin for the coolant that runs down the hole that's in the center. And this tube is the return line to suck up the cutting coolant, I guess you call it, the mist coolant, which is this jug. That's going to be in this catch basin and get sucked up and blown through here with the air. So it's a couple coolant lines basically, and I'm ready to make some cuts because aluminum gums up bits, so you got to have coolant going, especially on what's called high-speed steel bits. They require coolant. Without coolant, they'll break, they'll overheat. So yeah, I'll be making first cuts here pretty soon. Just got that thing all up and wired to the motor, and I also got it wired directly to the breaker box. So everything goes to this breaker box. The spindle's on one leg of a 220 line, and then everything else is on the other leg, so they're all electrically separate. So to turn everything on, I just flip this, and turn everything off, I just throw that breaker, and everything on, everything off with just that breaker there. Alright, later.